We got today, guys, we've got a I don't know why. Well, actually, I'm at the rear. Why? Because I've got a tow bar that's actually going on this SR Hilux, right? Now, the customer, this is going to be a little bit of a different job. Why? Because the customer is actually going to swap, eventually take this tray tub off and fit a tray. So what we're going to do is we're going to fit a tray tow bar, and because we are fitting the tray tow bar, unfortunately we're not going to be able to remount this rear step. Why? Because it doesn't have the clearance and the additional bracketry to remount the rear step. If you want to grab one of those, ozcanopies.com.au is the place to go. Other than that, let's get into it. Alrighty guys, Chris Moss Canopies a 4x4, the gentleman from the start of the video. Wait, was I on the Yeah, I was at the start of this video. I got my brain's all turned to mush. It's the four-wheel drive industry, seeing a Hilux here, arranged that with that. Just as the customer requested, we actually removed the rear bar on this one so that we can fit a tray-suitable tow bar onto his ute. Why the customer's going to go and get a tray fitted. He doesn't want to end up getting a tow bar that's going to sit too low. Once he's got the tray on there, from our partners at BTA, 3.5 ton towing capacity. We did the electrics for him as well. So for the time being, he's just going to have to make do without his reversing sensors. Other than that, guys, if you want a platform, a tow bar, or any other bits and pieces for your ute, ozcanopies.com.au is the place to go. It's Chris. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. We'll see you guys on the next one.